National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clinton County in south central Illinois until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing any size hail. This storm was located near Germantown, or about 8 miles of new data, and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Germantown, BREESE, BECKEMEYER, CARLYLE, SHATTUC, BOULDER. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and protection. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room.